Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's video, we explore the all-new Bajaj Discover 100, a commuter bike that continues the legacy of practicality, efficiency, and affordability. Designed for daily riders, this updated model brings subtle design tweaks, improved fuel efficiency, and modern touches to meet the needs of today's urban and rural commuters. The new Bajaj Discover 100 carries a simple yet refined look. It features a sleek fuel tank with updated graphics that give it a fresh identity while maintaining its classic commuter appeal. The elongated seat ensures comfort for both rider and pillion, while the lightweight body makes it easy to handle in tight traffic conditions. The bike's clean lines and minimalistic design make it ideal for riders who prefer function over flashy styling. At the heart of the Bajaj Discover 100 is a reliable 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is tuned for smooth power delivery and consistent performance, especially in city riding conditions. It produces adequate power for daily commuting while ensuring low vibrations and a comfortable riding experience. The gearbox is smooth and responsive, making gear shifts effortless even in stop-and-go traffic. One of the biggest highlights of the Discover 100 is its exceptional fuel efficiency. Bajaj has focused heavily on delivering high mileage, making this bike a cost-effective option for budget-conscious riders. With advanced fuel-saving technology and a lightweight frame, the bike offers impressive mileage figures, making it ideal for long daily commutes and reducing overall running costs. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Discover series, and the new model continues the tradition. The suspension setup, with telescopic front forks and rear twin shock absorbers, is designed to handle rough roads with ease. The seating position is upright and relaxed, ensuring minimal fatigue during long rides. Whether navigating city streets or uneven rural roads, the Discover 100 provides a stable and comfortable ride. While the Discover 100 remains a budget-friendly motorcycle, it still includes essential modern features. It comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays key information such as speed, fuel level, and trip details. Improved braking performance and better build quality add to the overall safety and reliability of the bike. The Bajaj Discover 100 is expected to be priced competitively, making it one of the most affordable options in the 100 cubic centimeters commuter segment. Its low maintenance costs, excellent mileage, and dependable performance make it a strong value for money package for students, office workers, and daily riders. In conclusion, the new Bajaj Discover 100 stays true to its roots as a practical and economical commuter motorcycle. It may not be packed with high-end features, but it delivers exactly what it promises: reliability, efficiency, and comfort. For anyone looking for a dependable daily ride without breaking the bank, the Discover 100 remains a smart choice. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more bike reviews and updates.